Okay, so here's the thing, taxes. They sound like this really boring topic, right? Like, who even wants to deal with all those numbers and forms? I mean, who has time to decode all the sections of the Income Tax Act? But what if I told you that this world of taxes, direct and indirect, isn't just for accountants and lawyers? It's actually a super fascinating, essential part of how our society grows. Think about it. Taxes help build our roads, our schools, and even our healthcare. That's right, and I'm not the only one saying this. In today's episode of Life Between the Pages, I sit down with the CEO of LNS to break it all down. He's been in the tax consultancy game for years, and trust me, he's got some golden advice. Wait, so there's over 350 sections in the Income Tax Act. How do you even begin to handle that? Mr. Jeet explains it all. Trust me, from the challenges of working in tax consultancy to the skills you need to thrive, love for numbers, staying updated, and the art of convincing clients about compliance. Plus, he shares his inspiring journey, starting his own business, working with global clients, and how he is using taxes to fuel societal growth. So, if you've ever wondered what it's really like in the world of taxes, or if you're just curious about a career in tax consultancy, this episode is a must watch. And hey, if you love a good story and some career motivation, you're going to love this one. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop your questions in the comments, and get ready for a dose of tax wisdom that might just change how you think about taxes forever.